Dear friends, today let us see few questions and answers or quiz like from NCERT Geography Class 6 Chapter 1. Let us see questions one by one. How does a planet differ from a star? Right? So difference between planet and a star. How does it differ? Let us see. There are some celestial bodies that do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. There are some other celestial bodies that are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. So the major difference between planet and a star is the planet does not have their own heat and light, whereas star has their own heat and light. So that is a major difference between a planet and a star. But the planet gets the light from the some other stars. Okay. So what is mean by solar system? The sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. Okay, in the solar system, sun will be the head. Name all the planets according to their distance from the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. An easy way to memorize the names of the planets in the order of their distance from the sun is my very efficient mother just served us nuts. So M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and N for Neptune. So my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Easy way to memorize. Why is Earth called a unique planet? Why is it so? First is the Earth is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as geoid. Geoid means Earth-like shape. Next is conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth. So another unique planet, another uniqueness of the planet, Earth. Conditions favorable to support life found only on the Earth. Next is Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. Also, the air has life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in our solar system. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because 2/3 surface is covered by water. So, it is also called a blue planet. Earth is called a blue planet. Why do we see only one side of the moon always? The moon takes around the Earth in about 27 days, moves around the Earth. The moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. So as a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the Earth. What is universe? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. So galaxy is nothing but a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. These millions of such galaxies There is a huge billions of stars, dust, everything combined together to make the universe. So millions of such galaxies make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us belongs to this universe. The planet known as the Earth's twin is Venus. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. So Earth's twin is Venus, which is the third nearest planet to the Sun. Earth. All the planets move around the Sun in a elongated path, or all the planets move around the Sun in an orbit, or all the planets in the solar system move around the Sun in a fixed path or elongated path or orbits. The pole star indicates the direction to the north. Actually, North Star indicates the north direction. It's also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi. Asteroids are found between the orbits of. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids, apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. So apart from stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. So these asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So asteroids are part of a planet which exploded many years back, according to scientists. A group of dash forming various patterns is called a dash. A group of stars forming various pattern is called a constellation. While watching the night sky, we may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations. A huge system of stars is called galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Dash is the closest celestial body to our Earth. The Moon. The Moon appears so big because it is nearest to our planet than other celestial bodies. Dash is the third nearest planet to the Sun. Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. Planets do not have their own dash and dash. Heat and light. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. So planets do not have their own heat and light. A famous astronomer of ancient India is Aryabhatta. Who are astronomers? Those who study celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. Example for constellation. Ursa Major or Big Bear is a constellation. A group of 7 stars that form a part of Ursa Major constellation is Saptarishi. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. The moon that we see in this sky is a satellite. Name the planets that have rings around them. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. What is the distance of the Sun from the Earth? 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. The Sun is 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. How many days does Mercury takes to make one orbit around the Sun? 88 days. Pluto was considered a planet till August 2006. Which planet is called a blue planet? Earth. Fifth largest planet is Earth. How much time does the sunlight takes to reach the Earth? 8 minutes. What is the speed of light? 3 lakh kilometers per second. What is the diameter of the moon with respect to the Earth? 1/4 that of the Earth. The moon's diameter is 1/4 that of the Earth. What is the distance of the moon from the Earth? 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on which date? 20th July 1969. What are meteoroids? The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Our solar system is a part of DAS galaxy, Milky Way galaxy. So thank you friends, thank you so much.